Xfinity, provided by Comcast, offers tools to monitor your home network through the Xfi platform. You can access this via the Xfi app or Xfinity website. Due to privacy regulations, detailed browsing history isn't available. Instead, you can see device activity, when devices connect, and how much data each uses. To access device activity on your Xfinity network, start by logging into your Xfinity account. You can do this through the Xfi mobile app available on iOS and Android, or by visiting xfinity.com on your web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section. This is where you'll find all the information about devices connected to your network. In the Devices section, you'll see a list of all connected devices. Each device shows its connection timestamp, data usage in megabytes or gigabytes, and whether it's currently active or inactive on your network. Device activity is tracked using each device's unique MAC address and the IP address assigned by your router. This allows Xfinity to monitor and display connection details for network management. When checking Xfinity Wi-Fi history, you won't see specific URLs or website content due to privacy regulations. Xfinity only provides aggregate statistics. Xfi gateways use encrypted traffic, so only metadata like bandwidth usage is visible, not the details of your browsing activity. Xfinity typically retains device activity data for 90 days, though some users report inconsistencies. To access this data, you need an active Xfinity account, two-factor authentication enabled, and a compatible Xfi gateway modem. Features may vary depending on your Xfinity plan. Xfinity's Advanced Insights feature offers aggregated data trends, such as peak usage hours, while ensuring no detailed browsing data is stored. This maintains user privacy while providing useful network insights. Additionally, Xfinity is integrating artificial intelligence for predictive analytics. The system can flag potential threats by analyzing device behavior patterns, helping users identify unusual activity early. This AI feature is currently available in beta for select users. Home network security is evolving rapidly. ISPs like Xfinity are shifting towards integrated platforms that give users more control over their home networks. These platforms offer unified control through apps like Xfi, allowing users to manage Wi-Fi settings, connected devices, and security features all in one place. A key trend is IoT device quarantining, where potentially compromised smart devices can be isolated from the network. This is a direct response to rising ransomware attacks that target vulnerable home devices. Finally, user-controlled data retention options are becoming more common, allowing individuals to decide how long their network activity data is kept. This reflects a privacy-first approach to home security. Parents use Xfi to monitor children's device activity and detect excessive gaming based on data usage spikes. During security incidents, Xfi can help detect compromised IoT devices through unusual activity patterns. However, it's important to note that Xfi is not a comprehensive forensic tool. Experts provide valuable insights on Xfinity's Xfi tools. Privacy advocate Mark Rotenberg from the Electronic Frontier Foundation notes that while these tools offer a veneer of control, their limitations prevent true transparency and protect users from ISP overreach. On the other hand, cybersecurity expert Brian Krebs praises the anomaly detection features as a step forward for home security, though not a replacement for professional audits. User statistics reveal widespread adoption with some concerns. According to a 2025 Comcast survey of 5,000 subscribers, 75% use Xfi for device monitoring. 90% report access to logs for up to 3 months, though 20% experience gaps due to technical issues. The average U.S. household connects 12 devices, with 45% using ISP tools to curb data overuse. However, privacy worries persist, as 62% of Americans are concerned about ISP data tracking, leading to 30% opting out of advanced features. In summary, Xfi provides practical utility for home network management, but remains bounded by design and law to balance convenience with user privacy.